Hi, and welcome to Lesson 4.1 from Financial Algebra Consumer Credit. Just an FYI, this is no need to write anything down here. Nike doubles its headquarter expansion plans. This was just announced this last week that Nike is going to enlarge two original building plans, and they will now total 1.3 million square feet. Largest of the buildings, 649,000 square feet. And there will be another 412,000 square foot building in addition to that. New parking spaces. If you've never been out to Nike, it's out in Beaverton. It's pretty easy to get to, and there's a trail all the way around the outside. Joggers like to use it, but it's a beautiful, beautiful campus. This is a statue of Coach K from Duke University. It stands outside the fitness center named after him. All right, let's go back over our last notes page. That would be Compound Interest Day 2, November 19th and 20th, and write a question in the left-hand column. I have an example here. How do I denote a quarter year or 3 months? And the answer is 3 divided by 12 equals 0.25. 0.25 is the decimal you use for a quarter year. Well, when you get that question down, or the one you prefer, circle your 24. Hopefully your 10 is already circled. Remember, you can stop this video at any time and then restart it. So I'm going to proceed. Please press play when you're ready to start again. Please title today's notes as 4.1 Consumer Credit Day 1. Our learning target is I'm familiar with basic vocabulary credit terms and types of lending institutions, and I can compute finance charges. When you're done filling out your notes page, please press play again. Okay, here is what we would like to read for today's lesson. It's about 6 paragraphs on page 174 and the top of page 175. Do have a lot of vocabulary terms, but it is important to know these terms: credit, credit rating, debtor, consumer reporting agency, creditor, installment plan, asset, finance charge, FICO score, down payment. They are defined in the reading we'll do next. I will have the slides up here for you. Remember to press play when you're ready to proceed to the next page. Here is the first page of our reading. Note that it has credit, debtors, and creditors defined here. Here is paragraphs 3 and 4. There are some things like assets, earning power, and credit rating defined here. Here is credit reporting agency and FICO score. Remember to press play after you get these things written down. And here's the last few: installment plan, which is important in this unit, down payment, interest, and finance charge. When you get done defining these terms, please press play again. Thanks. Here is an example of what example 1 looks like in our text. We're going to discussion topics that you want to be thinking about are: why do people overspend when they have credit? Have you ever seen an advertisement about obtaining a credit score on TV, radio, and print media? And how is your credit score like a report card? People make decisions about you based on your credit score, whether it reflects you or not. For instance, you can pay higher car insurance if you have a higher credit score than if you have a lower one. Here's example 1 from page 175. It says, Heather wants to purchase an electric guitar. The price of the guitar with tax is $2,240. If she can save up $90 per month, how long will it take her to save up for the guitar? Well, to do this, we just take $2,240 and we divide it by 90, and that will give us the number of months that'll take her. If you take $2,240 and you divide by 90, what you end up with is 24.88 months. So basically 2 years and a month, 25 months. Get that down and we'll proceed to the next slide. Here's example 2, page 176. Recalling that our guitar cost $2,240, Heather speaks to the salesperson at the music store who suggests that she buy the guitar on an installment plan and requires a 15% down payment, and the remainder, plus an additional finance charge, is paid back on a monthly basis for the next 2 years. The monthly payment is $88.75. What is her finance charge? So the first thing we do is determine what 15% of 2,240 is. So we take our cost of the guitar, 2,240, and we multiply it times 15% as a decimal, which is 0.15. And we get $336. That's the down payment. Now she pays $88.75 each month for 24 months. That comes to $2,130. We add them together, and we get the total amount that she spent on the guitar. $2,466. And if we subtract, whoopsie, oh no. And if we subtract the original price of the guitar, which was $2,240, we get $226. That, oh my goodness, I'm gonna put it up here. $226 is the amount of the finance charge. That's everything she paid above the original price. All right, go ahead, stop your video, write that down, and go to the next slide when you're ready. All right, go over your notes, underline anything that's important. Once you have that done, please circle your 10. Here are our problems. They are on page 178 if you have a textbook. Problems 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. They are, of course, accessible on Canvas in our course as assignment number 17. Go there and click on assignment number 17, and you will get a Google Documents that you can type on, answer the questions, and click Submit. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.